Now rolling.
Where's the
So
question? Wait, where's the
3,
questions?
2.
Oh, I'm going to ask, do you need a copy? Use that
Yeah,
if you want,
I want to
and then
read
I'll
them
out.
Yeah.
All right then. So 3, 2, 1, action.
Right, first of all, happy International Women's Day, everyone.
Yeah.
So, what is your name and how are you involved with Cardiff Youth Service?
I'm Chloe and I'm involved with Cardiff Youth Service as a young pupil at the Powerhouse, and I used to be a young leader on a Thursday nights.
I'm Ayla and I'm involved in the Cardiff Youth Service, specifically Powerhouse, by being a young leader every Thursday, doing girls group and also mentoring in my school with my mentors and doing all group projects like girls group and CF23 wellbeing and stuff like that.
I'm Madison and I'm involved. Every Friday I go to the youth as a pupil.
Lush. So, what is International Women's Day and why is it a good event for young girls?
International Women's Day is a good event for young girls because it empowers them and it shows them that they have the rights, the same rights as boys do, and that they are important in today's society, and they can be strong and do whatever they feel, and they can achieve whatever they want to achieve.
Perfect.
It shows how powerful girls and women can be, and it shows the aspect of womanhood.
International Women's Day is basically all around women and young girls on the shows, a massive impact on each other, and yeah.
Amazing. So, after this event, obviously, we are hoping that every locality now will go back and deliver their own girls group. So, how will you empower other girls and women after today's event?
I will empower young girls and women by spreading awareness of what it is and how it's important, and doing some stuff on social media with the Powerhouse and that, and just maybe doing some activities in the youth club and just showing how it's like a really important thing and topic to like work on and show to other people.
Go first, Mona.
To be supportive and show younger girls that they are strong and not to let anyone prove them different or try knock them down, and just be bigger role models and show them what womanhood and girlhood is like.
Amazing.
I will basically show, like, support young girls on, like, that they're obviously growing up as well as we are, like, just, like, make, like, a massive impact on, like, supporting them and, like, bringing or, like, giving them advice on, like, periods and stuff like this, because obviously they're at that age now, and, like, yeah, I'll show what we've gone through, and
Yeah, amazing.
Show them not to be scared.
Yeah, definitely. And last but not least, can you name some women in your life who inspire you?
Obviously, like my youth workers, because they gave me loads of support. My friends, Chloe, and all my other friends. Some of my teachers. My mum, obviously, she's a big part of my life and a big person who inspires me. My great nan, and yeah, just the majority of the women who I look up to and respect a lot.
Oh, that's lovely.
Obviously, staff, like the youth staff members that we're with constantly day in and day out on Tuesday and Fridays. 100% my mum, massive supporter in my life, my best friend basically, my nan, my aunties, my sister.
My mum, my nan, Morley Moo. Even though she goes through so much drama, she's always got a smile on her face. And big shout out to my therapist. got me through. No, gotta bring it into this. Got me through the tough times.
Amazing. Well, thank you, girls, and happy International Women's Day again.
Happy International Women's Day.
Diwrnod Rhyngwladol y Menywod, hapus.
Way.
Do not know what you said.
I hope you had that, Alex.